What's up, TikTok? Today I am going to be doing a hibachi mukbang with shrimp and chicken, rice and noodles, and of course I got my yum yum sauce, and I'm about to put that on right now. Oops. Hold on. I like the yum yum sauce all up in my rice. hmm Who else love yum yum sauce like me? Mm. Y'all, I'm about to mukbang this, baby. Mm. 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 Y'all probably like, she's smacking and talking with food in her mouth. But ain't this what y'all supposed to do in mukbangs? Mm. 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 I give you 2 thumbs up, hibachi. Mm. 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 Y'all, look how he over here fucking this hibachi up. Mm. 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 Give thanks and praise. Mm. Thank you, Father God. Mm. 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 Chupapi Minyayo. Mm. Okay. It's a lot of chicken. Do y'all think I can finish this whole plate in one sitting? Mm. My belly getting full already. It's popping right out of my shirt. Mm. I don't know how anybody could eat this whole plate in one sitting. Do y'all think y'all could? Leave it in the comments. Tell me if you think you could eat this whole plate in one sitting. You could? Mm-mm. My husband said he can. Mm. Let's try to suck this up. Oops. It didn't work. Mm. If this rice was drenched in yum yum sauce, I would love it. I just need more yum yum sauce. I did it. Mm. But God, let me stop talking with my mouth full. That was so good. Mm. Mmm. Nothing good. Nothing good like some ice cold water.
That's my water,
Mmm. That hibachi was so good, y'all.
yeah, that's my water.
That's not your water. Your water's right there. Alright, y'all. I'll be back.